Howdy this is Mary Burris of Flowering Cactus and Rethink Fitness, and today I'm demonstrating how to practice legs up against the wall. A lot of my students really love the benefits of this practice. It's great for your circulation, it's great for digestion, it's a restorative pose. So in the afternoon, when you start to feel that afternoon drag, instead of reaching for that chocolate like I'm tempted to do, or that cup of coffee, that caffeine, whatever source it is, you can just do this pose, and after 5-10 minutes, you're going to feel amazing. So let me show you how to do it. First, you scooch up next to the wall. So your hip is next to the wall. I like to use a block. I'll show you how. So once you're here, go ahead and flip. Nice view of the tag of my shirt there. And scooch the bum up towards the wall. Okay? And then for extra bonus, use your feet to lift the legs. Place a block underneath your sacrum. You know, organized to a place where you feel comfortable. Palms open up towards the ceiling. The legs are supported by the wall. All you need to do is relax. It feels so good. So that's how you get into legs up the wall. You can stay again for 5 to 10 minutes. And then the way to come down is, again, use your feet to lift up so you can remove any prop. You can use a block or a pillow. Roll to the side. And there you are. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this amazing restorative and feel-good pose. Legs up the wall. Namaste. And if you'd like more yoga tips, you can go to Mary Burris of Flowering Cactus. That's my YouTube channel, and you can find a lot of different yoga practices, mudras, breathing practices, meditations, etc. So enjoy. Namaste.